the Member of Parliament for Gilbert South, Honorable Gilbert Olanya, has signed petition and also allegedly mobilizing other Acoli Member of Parliament to sign the petition to remove or deal with the parliamentary commissions who allegedly were involved in corruption. Gilbert Olanya says that it is an impunity for one to allocate government resources or fund for himself or herself. He says this is an impunity and we cannot tolerate this thing to happen in this country.
I knew you were coming.
Let me start with signing before we talk.
I knew that you were coming.
I'm telling you, the members of parliament who are coming from Acoli, the majority are running from the village, coming to sign, and they move back to their villages. You know, this is the way to go. We shouldn't be condoning corruption in our country. You cannot allocate funds for yourself. I think this is being impunity. So we should stop encouraging impunity in this country. Government resources must be used by the taxpayers. You cannot allocate funds for government just to benefit yourself. I think this is out. So we are mobilizing. We are calling all members of parliament who are still out there. Please hurry, come and append your signature so that the moment parliament starts and we kickstart the process. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Let me go. Okay, my brother.
Well, according to Daily Monitor, there are 4 commissioners who were involved in this corruption. 4 days ago, Daily Monitor, in a post titled "MPs share mixed reactions on censure motion for parliamentary commissioners," and they say the 4 commissioners targeted in the censure motion are Mr. Mpuga, who received shillings 500 million, Mrs. Esther Afoyo-Chan, I think they joined it, and then Mr. Solomon Siliwanyi, and lastly, Mrs. Prosi Akampurira, who received shillings 400 million each. Now, the mobilization is on.